Dear friend, once again welcome to Opentalk. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your location in Opentalk. If you are new in this video, just to inform you, Opentalk is an app that will help you to improve your speaking English. You can practice English with different people from different area, different country, and also you can make new friends here. So you can find this app just from your Play Store. I have already installed. I'm gonna open my app. You can see my present location is Joshua Khulna, Bangladesh here. But I'm gonna show you how to change this location so that you can just talk from a specific area, or if you feel insecure, then you can hide your identity here. So because one of my friends asked me in the comment section how to please show me how to change the location, so that's why I'm gonna make this tutorial. It's very easy. Just open up your Play Store. You can go to your Play Store, then search for fake GPS, then just install it, then install the first one, fake GPS. It's very easy process. Okay, just wait to install. After completing install, just open it, then you will find some open setting. If it doesn't work, all you have to do, just go to your settings, phone settings, then go to your system, then go to about phone, then you have to turn on. If you can see developer option, then it's fine. If you cannot see that, you have to go to about phone, then you have to turn developer mode. To turn on developer mode, you have to click 4 to 7 times built-in number. You can see this is built-in number here. You can to tap it 4 to 7 times. 1 2. Then it will ask the phone pin code. Then you can see its pop-up message. Your developer mode turned on. Now you can see it's my developer mode. Then go to developer mode. Then go to here. Wait. Location. You have to turn on mock location 1. Where is mock location? You have to find that under location. Yeah, here you can select mock location app, and you have to select that app, fake GPS. Then finally go to that app, fake GPS here. Now where you want to set your location. If you want to set your location in United States, then go to United States. Anywhere you want. Suppose I'm going to show my location to here, then turn on, tap this play button, then you can see it's turned on. It's running fake GPS. You can pause it anytime. Now all you have to do, just go to your Opentalk app. So before updating our location, let's see it's showing in Joshua Khulna division. Let's update now. Update my location. Is updating. Now you can see it's already changed Igorot and United States. By this way you can set your location to anywhere. Let's change it to another location. Let's change it to Canada or India, anywhere you want, no problem. You can do anywhere. Just find the location. Like Spain, we're gonna change it to Spain. Put it right here, and I can click this play button. Now update to location again. You can see it's showing in Spain. By this way you can change your location if you feel insecure, or if you want to just talk with people around the Spain. So this will be helpful for those people who want to hide their location. So guys, thank you for watching. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more update. Take care.